Adom Kwakufuado a power a year ships mienu ho ntoma Western Naval Command I know a war second D wato emantam no emu na wo hwe ya mamra no mu Ghana Navy wo mo so emra no ehye won se wo mo ye nsuo no eso eban firi ni pabonefo ensem na chese ne yakopa ho ntoma ne kwa so ano no a esefata so ode ye wadwuma Adom TV etwaso
Omanpanyi Adom Kwakufuado Edi adesrede ato nananom ahemfo animu se omomodin asensase a watu asi honom se obeye kua ewo so no one farmer real estate developers ema wonsi dan ewo so abra omanpanyi Adom Kwakufuado ekohia nananom ahemfo a wonum ewo kumase ena wodi nkyeremu ena wodi tuja se asase eka opepedunum ene ekyire ponson emu dodo a anka watu asi honom se wodi beye kua ewo manmu 2-class ship US Naval Edebeche or Maino. Idia wadi atoso ene Ghana Naval Ship Half Asini. Ene Ghana Naval Ship Aflao Shipi wadi ama Navy Force de beya wadi bebo ntoa ewo. Ashia Ghana ene amaya hodoɔ ebo ewo epo ahodoɔ so. Sebeya obehye ama asumdwie abasa ehia ahodoɔ ne so. Omanpanyi Adom Kwakufuado ekasa wɔ dwumadie na se no ene wadi tudwa se Woni masudi a eda Navy Force so se wonom ehwe ema ipo ahodoɔ nyina no asumdwie eba so na afei ban bonso eye adwuma ewo honom ne senti aban eden hyehye bebre egu akwam se de beya akade biara Ghana Navy ehia no wode bema wonom.
I'm aware of the enormous responsibility of the Navy in seeing to it that the maritime spaces of Ghana and the region are safe and secure. And that is why we're taking steps to retool the Ghana Navy. Indeed, government's retooling of the security services, including the Navy, has yielded positive results in the maritime domain. Ghana has not recorded any attack or kidnapping on shipping in the last 2 years.
Dominic Nitiwul Minister of Defense na wakasa wodwumadie na se no ene wadi tu jase eposo banbo ade a ehia ewo man mu pa esan se wotimi bo eposo ban a enya ade se nipa bonefo ebetumi afiri man foforo bi mu aba be wura wo man mu ofasa akonya no so ebo US man no aba so aba betai armed forces adwumayefo ma ene mema nyina echi.
Your Excellency, the security of our waters matters not only to us, but also to our partners as well, since the safety, the wealth, and the health of the oceans are intertwined and transnational.